Yeah, people. This is Hilltop here. Watch this. Tell me what you think about this too far. After 1 in the morning. Watch this too far. Not sleeping. It's a wonder. Or the think times ain't changing. Watch this too far. I tell you that after 1 in the morning, watch this guy. It's night with the street light on there. You seen it? These fowls not sleeping. I don't know what is the problem with these two fowls. What's them? Where? Not sleeping. What's the next one? Let's hear about him more. What do they think about these fowls? Tell me what do they think about it. What's this one? Not sleeping for nothing. What do they think about these fowls? You know what I think? Hey. Breed that fowl all this, man. I think all is some kind of alien fowl.